What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to do a New Year's Eve makeup look. I don't know when this video will be posted. Maybe it will be posted by the new year. Maybe. We'll see. First things first, I'm going to do my brows. This is gonna be a quick video, I'm just putting on some makeup to go sit my ass in the living room and drink some wine. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is going with the primer. Today I'm going to use the Pacifica Crystal Primer, Illuminating plus Perfecting. So let's see how that goes. This smells so good. Yeah, I like it. I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like, but it smells good. Okay. Nice little... My eyebrows, I'm actually not going to use a different product because I don't have a different product, and use what I normally use, which is the NYX Tint and Frame Brow Pomade. Alright, so brows are did. Now I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some eyeshadow today. You know, we're gonna get a little spicy for the new year. For my eyeshadow base today, I'm going in with P. Louise Rumor Number 5, and that is just gonna go all over my lids. This is almost a little... Please excuse my cat. She is in heat and she is relentless. Alright, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and pop open this new baby that I have here. I've had this for a while and it's actually broken, but I've actually never used the, so unfortunately the mirror here is broken. But look at these shades, y'all. Like, these are so pretty. And this is the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette. Allie, please, for the love of God. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and work with these like purple plum pink shades over here. And the first one that I'm gonna go in with is the shade Bahamas. This color right there. That's like a cute, like, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm gonna take the shade Lotus and I'm gonna use that to actually blend. And next, I'm going to go in with the shade Nocturnal, and I'm just going to put that on the outer crease to give it a little bit of depth. Alright, so my battery died. So I felt like being a little bit fancy, and I'm actually going to do a cut crease. I'm going to cut my crease using my Too Faced Sweet Peach concealer pot. I'm gonna add some glitter. This eye always comes out better than the other eye, and I am just completely over it. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just gonna put it all over my eyelid. And in the spirit of the new year 2022, I'm going to use the J. LaRue Loose Pigment Glitter. This is in the shade Gold Digger. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Gold Digger because we out here digging our goals in 2022, period. That's it. literally all I see in this eye is glitter now. Like, that's it. That's all I see. These eyes, this one still came out better though. Like, this eye never ceases to come out better. And for the eyeliner, because obviously we need a dramatic wing to go with the glitter, I'm actually going to use this Physicians Formula eye trio. I actually got this for Christmas. My mom got it for me. Yeah, so I don't think I like that for the top. Now for the bottom, this is going to be actually really helpful. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl gel liner. Unfortunately, it is a bit dried up, but I have a trick for that. So listen in, this is a hack, okay? Whenever you have like a dried out brow pomade or a dried out gel liner, you can use eye drops to revive the entire thing. Ever since I learned that hack, like, I literally keep eye drops in my makeup kit. So I'm going to use eye drops. It doesn't matter the brand. It really doesn't. Just as long as it is lubricated eye drops, eye tears, whatever, artificial tears. And I just take it and I'll put 1, 2, 3 drops in there. And then I literally take like a popsicle stick and mix it all up. Now it's time for the face. I'm trying to think, what foundation have I not used? Because I think I've actually used like every one of the foundations that I have. I'm just gonna go with a foundation I don't normally use. Well, I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Cinnamon. It's 440G. Now, last time I used this, I can't remember if I actually liked it or not. Skin pretty nicely. Okay, yes. Looking very yellow. Get it? Whoa, okay. Honestly, I don't remember it being like this yellow. Maybe it's the lighting. I think it's the lighting because, let's see, let's turn this down just a little bit. Nope, still the same. Okay, that's cool. Why not just use a Huda Beauty concealer as well, okay? Oh God. I forgot that this concealer actually dries fast, so I really don't have to give it a whole lot of dry time. I don't even know. It's giving me filter. Literally on the face. So I'm going to take a setting powder that's more like on the lighter side of things. My Peach Perfect setting powder. Because it's not as like drying as the other ones, and this concealer is already like, it dries down like very matte. Now I'm gonna blend this out. Now for contour, to add some shadows back into this face, some blush, all that highlight, I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. This is not anything new. I use it all the time. The mirror for this one is also broken. I don't know what it is with me and palette mirrors, but oh my gosh, I have like the worst luck. I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to add like a little bit of bronzer. And I'm actually going to use this palette that I actually built. And I haven't used this in a long time, but this is a palette that I built, and this blush is from Becca Cosmetics, yes. For highlight, I'm actually going to use this multi-dimensional face and body shimmer from e.l.f. This is also a new-ish product, like newer. And this. Ooh, that is pretty. Yes to new products. Hello. And I've literally had this sitting like, I was about to give it away. Glad I did it. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the face. So I'm gonna set my face, and then we're gonna do under eye highlight. Eyeliner.
Allie. Allie. Come on. I get paid by the hour.
Alright guys, thank you for watching my video, even though a lot of it was silence because my cat cannot shut up. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my New Year's look. Okay, I don't know if it's going to post on New Year. Probably not, because I'm gonna be anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next year.